Hello everyone, how to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's start. The first open your Excel and here you can see I have data, the product name, quantity, customer name and amount. In this data you can see there are some entry is showing the duplicates. So here I'm going to remove this full entry. Okay, so go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on this icon, remove duplicates. And here you can see the data you're automatically selected. With this, here the one dialog box is open, remove duplicate. To delete duplicates values, select one or more column that contains duplicates. Okay, so here you can see is by default all column you are selected. If you want to remove duplicate from only one column, then first unselect all column, then select one column. Okay, if you want to select all, just click on the select all. And here the right hand side one option, my data has header. So here the column header showing the product name, quantity. When you deselect this checkbox, you can see now column A, column B and column C, D indicate. Okay, so I select this and after that click on OK to remove duplicates from all column. And that's it. Here you can see 2 duplicates values found and removed. 9 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cell space, etc. Just click on OK and that's it. This is a way you can remove duplicates in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.